Welcome to the fourth video of Chapter 1. Today we are going to learn about how to solve equation involving indices. There are actually three techniques to solve equation involving indices. They are substitution using log both sides and also comparing indices. But today I'm going to focus on substitution technique in order to solve equations involving indices. So we are going straight to the example. So if you can see, in this equation, we have two terms of indices. This one and also this one. We have 3 to the power of 2x and also 3 to the power of x. So in order to solve this equation, you need to simplify one of those. Or in other words, you need to make sure they are going to be the same term. So in order to do that, we are going to proceed to the first step. So first step, you need to rewrite 3 to the power of 2x equal to 3x power 2. So this happened by using properties of indices that you already learned in the previous video. So actually, if you multiply back 2 with x, you are going to have your original term. So actually, this term and this term are the same thing, but we just rewrite in the different form. So now you can rewrite your original equation as 3x bracket square minus 10 3 to the power of x plus 9 equal to 0. So notice here, you already have the same term of indices. So now your equation becomes much easier. We are going to proceed to the next step, step 2, where we are going to apply the substitution technique. Now you need to let your indices term to any alphabet that you like. For example, I'm going to let 3 to the power of x to u. So if you like alphabet B, so then you can substitute your 3 to the power of x as B. So now rewrite again your equation by substituting your alphabet that you already chose. So 3 to the power of x is equal to u square minus 10u plus 9 equal to 0. Alright, moving on to step 3. Okay, I'm going to rewrite again my equation. U square minus 10u plus 9 equal to 0. Okay, notice here, you are dealing with quadratic equation. And as you already know, by using your prior year knowledge, you can solving your quadratic equation by using factorization. So you can factorize by using your calculator and you should get u minus 9 u minus 1 equal to 0. So actually the values of u are u equal to 9, u equal to 1. So you must be very careful on this step, okay? Because the question asks you to find the values of x, not the values of u. So you need to remember from step 2, your u is actually equal to 3 to the power of x. So moving on step 4, we are going to substitute again our u with 3 to the power of x equal to 9 and 3 to the power of x equal to 1. Okay, in order to solve this, in order to find the value of x, you need to use comparing indices technique. So you need to figure out what is base 3 to the power of what number in order to get 9. So you can use your calculator. So if you press 3 to the power of 2 is actually equal to 9. So by comparing the indices here, by comparing the index, you will get x is actually equal to 2. So the same step for the next one. So 3x equal to 3. So remember, any base that have power 0 will equal to 1. So by comparing the index here, you know that x equal to 0. So now we already managed to solve the equation involving indices. So the answer is x equal to 2 and x equal to 0. I think that's all for our lesson today. Thank you.